Do you want the most technologically advanced security solution for your truck yard? Monitoring your truck yard hasn't been this advanced ever before. Introducing eaglevisionsecurity, an AI-powered security services company that keeps intruders off your property by strategically placing AI-infused cameras around your property and live agents monitoring it. Our live agents will only open gates for your trucks after doing an AI face detection and matching it to an authorized list. Our AI-powered security system also reports unusual events that include vehicle damage with real-time captures, drivers throwing garbage, drivers urinating, or causing an accident. With 25,000 cameras installed, 5,000 plus crimes deterred annually, 1 million gigabytes of video storage, and 50,000 plus video reviews annually, we offer CTPAT and PIP compliant security solutions so that you focus on growing your trucking business. Our agents prevent any potential theft or loss with our state-of-the-art AI technology. Have the confidence in knowing that the most powerful and comprehensive security solution is deployed at your truck yard. To learn more about our truckyard security solution, give us a call or shoot us an email, and let's set up a time to get together.